Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 25 TFSI with the S-Tronic transmission. Now, this particular example is also finished in the optional dew silver metallic paint, which is really give it that unique appearance. Now, as you look towards the key features, and with this being the S-Line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling at the front, as well as those lovely side skirts and that rather aggressive rear diffuser. As well as this, you do also get the silver Audi badging. Moving down now and looking at the front, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we do find these exceptional 17-inch 5 twin-spoke design alloys. They are the partly polished finish, and they do really complement that silver paint. To the side of the vehicle now, we do find the optional rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view and does give the overall vehicle a fantastic appearance. Moving into the rear boot space of the A1 Sportback now, we find up to 335 litres of storage space. This is a large amount for a smaller vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate one carry-on case and a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a part leather interior with the additional cloth elements in the centre. As well as this, there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, aluminium trims to also carry on into the rear of the cabin, and you do notice those lighter grey stripes on the front seats as well, and into the overall sporty interior design. Now moving into the front, we do find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, cloth and aluminium. Again, these sport seats do feature a part of the S-Line package. They are the half leather and they do feature the S logos. Above now we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters, and furthermore this screen can also access telephone connectivity, vehicle information and the radio station. Now looking towards the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which does also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.